What's up, y'all, and welcome to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. Today I'll be bringing you a new series, and it will be called Celebrity Hairstylist Tips. Now, on this little series, y'all, I'm be giving y'all all the gag, all the teas, all the tips, everything you need to know to give yourself that Hollywood slayed, laid to the gods look. Like you got to be camera ready and TV ready at all times, and your lace cannot be a case that everybody's talking about. Like, you want to get that lace to disappear as much as possible. Now, in this video today, Got to Be spray will be our best friend, and so will our fingers. And I'm actually reinstalling a lace that I've installed previously before on myself, and I just love this wig so much, so I said, let me bring that back, run it back. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video and take all these tips I'm giving you, like, use them to your advantage, guys. This is called free game, okay? Free game to melt that lace, and you know what I'm saying? Just show them what you really can do. Now, we're gonna just jump right into this video because I got so much information to give y'all, and I don't want to miss a beat or run out of time. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. So right off the back, you guys see that I just went ahead and start to tack down my middle section of my wig, and I'm using my fingertips, and I'm using the end of a rat tail comb. Now, usually when I do my glueless installs, I do use the Got to Be spray, and I just usually apply it like on my skin under the lace. But today I'll be using it under the lace, on top of the lace, and be like, just like, when I say this video is just totally different from what I do, but the end result is like everything. Like, as y'all can see from the thumbnail, it's like lit, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and work my way section by section to get that thing tacked down. And like I said, the Got to Be will be my best friend, and so will your fingers. So I'm going to be spraying that Got to Be under the lace, on top of the lace, like at the beginning of the hairline, using my blow dryer and my fingertips. And you just want to make sure that you are pressing. And when I say press, you're talking like Cardi B press, okay? You want to press that lace down into that Got to Be spray, and just use your blow dryer to melt, press, spray, melt, press. Like, that's going to be the same like technique sequence that you will be using in this whole video. So mind you, I am spraying that Got to Be underneath the lace, and I'm just taking my fingertips and pushing that lace right on down, and still spraying that Got to Be on top of that lace and on those hairs as well, because I'm just kind of like pushing it back out the way, because like this video will be a simple part down the middle, but it will be like a push back part down the middle. So that's why I'm also spraying that Got to Be spray on the top of my hair, like at the front of the hairline, and actually, you know, combing it backwards. But you want to continue to do these same steps and just blow dry until it is completely dry. Now, even with the sideburn hair right here, I'm using that to apply pressure into that Got to Be spray, and I'm going to continue to work my way across the segments I have already tacked down, just to continue to press that lace down into that skin. Now, you just want to repeat these steps all in the front of your hairline. And trust me, guys, like, you think this looks like something already, this is nothing compared to the finishing results. So I hope that it's like, y'all, you know, motivation to stay tuned. But however, here I'm going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle, and this is a 13x4 frontal wig, so it does not part back that far, but it's still, you know, part back far enough to still get, you know, beautiful results. And as I mentioned before, I will be using that Got to Be spray like I just did, and comb that hair back, because it will be a pushback type of look. So now that we are moving over to the other side, it's the same steps. I'm spraying that Got to Be underneath that lace, and then I'm going to spray the Got to Be on top of that lace around the edge line as well. I was going to say period as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry that, and use your fingertips to push that lace in, because it helps melt it so much better. Now we're going to just do the same thing for the sideburn as well, and it's just like repetition at this point of following the same steps. I'm using that sideburn to apply that pressure, and I'm going to use my comb to comb back those hairs to give that baby look, that baby hair, the pretty baby hairline without the actual swoops, like, if you kind of get what I mean. That's what I'm saying. And I'm just going to use my fingers once again to apply that pressure. Now that I have everything tacked down, I'm going to go back in with that Got To Be spray in the front and just comb that hair back. Now this looks pretty melted so far, but believe me guys, it's not even done yet. Y'all know I couldn't even finish this off without using my baby, my new boo, and that's my Nairobi's foaming mousse. Now I'm going to take this mousse and I'm going to apply it right where my part is, because I'm going to tame these wild curls. I'm going to tame them to the T, okay honey, because I cannot walk around with this big poofy hair like this. So first I'm just going to apply that foam all over my part, and in the same places where I apply my Got To Be for that pushback look, I'm going to put that mousse all over that thing as well, and just continue to comb it back. Now I did not put it directly on top of the edges yet, but I will do that in a second. I just wanted to focus on where the pushback of this hair is going to be, because with this mousse you want to move extremely fast, because your lace can actually start to lift whether you are using glue or not. So I am going to be moving quickly. And then now that I have that where I want my hair to like push back a little bit, I'm going to go back in with that mousse and just tap it right across them edges. Now, if you don't know by now, or if you ain't even caught up to the lace world, like, this mousse is everything. This mousse on the hairline makes a big difference. It gives that hairline the extra meltdown effect. And once you apply that mousse, you want to make sure you tie them hairs down as tight as possible using elastic band, or whatever you have for your hair. Now, in a lot of my curly hair videos, I always talk about how awesome this silicone mix is. So I thought I would go ahead and finally bring it on video to show you guys pretty much like the benefits of using it, because it is a major difference. Now this hair is a kinky curly hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and first I just have like water and conditioner in my water bottle. That's all that's in there so far, which is a Tresemme conditioner. So I'm just going to spray that, like, that's layer 1 of the water and conditioner. And as you can see, I just did use some of my Nairobi's mousse for the top of my hair, and I'm going to just go in with that silicone mix on the remainder of that hair, working it in from the roots to end. And the same thing that I'm doing here, I'm going to show you very like detailed on camera, and then off camera I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. So just use that conditioner, water, silicone mix, and I just used a little bit of mousse towards the top, and this will define the curls and give it that tight look, and it will still look wet even when it's dry. So that is why I'm using everything that I am to maintain this kinky curly hair, and you guys will actually see like the difference with one side and the other. Now here is what it looks like after I went ahead and did both sides. So it's a total major difference from how it first was when I started doing this video. But now it's time to remove that band and show y'all. Like, y'all hold on y'all, because at this point the shit act like it did not want to come loose, and I just got aggravated, and I just say, you know what, I'm just gonna pull it back. So yes honey, I just went ahead and pulled that right off my hairline, and boom. Don't y'all, come on now, y'all can't tell me. Y'all see that Mel, period, poo. And this is the results you want when you take that band off. Like, you just want it to be so into your skin. Like, this is what you want. Like, y'all gotta upgrade the lace game, honey, because lace has evolved so much over the years, and this just looks so freaking awesome. Like, it is laid, honey, laid. But I'm just gonna go ahead and raise it down this side. For some reason this side was long and the other side was short, but that's neither here nor there. But nothing a little razor comb can't fix. And I'm just going to go ahead and take my little comb and just comb my little pushback hairline back to make it look even softer than what it is. And just, oh my gosh, like, I'm so in love with this install. Like, and then it did numbers on my Instagram. And if y'all don't have me on Instagram, please make sure you follow me at _beautiful hustler. Now what I'm doing now is the same foundation that I use for my skin, I'm just using that same foundation blender and just tapping it on my hairline. I did not add any extra foundation or new foundation to my brush. I just took the old foundation that was already used for me doing my makeup and just tapped it into the hairline of my brush just a little bit. So that's another little tip that I did to, you know, also give the results an extra little blend effect. But here is the finishing results, honey, and I'm just going to show y'all, and this is with no filter to be exact, because, you know, we do use filters sometimes on our pictures and videos, but this is with no filters, so you can see the real results. And then here I actually pulled my hair up in a ponytail towards the top, just to give you guys a different idea of how you can wear this hair. And also I went in with another full ponytail, and this is what the hair looks. It's still like damp, but that silicone mix brings the curls to pop a little bit more. But this is the finishing of this video and the finishing look. So I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and thank you for watching.